This method won't work good for all fridges that appear to be stainless steel. Some are actually a coating, so you may want to check with your manufacturer, or you can test it in an inconspicuous spot such as inside the fridge below the fridge or freezer gasket. Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon right at the subscribe button, and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you. This one I've got some stuff going on that won't come out. You get it wet and it kind of disappears. I've got this Rejuvenate stainless steel scratch eraser kit, and it's got a few different abrasive cloths. I'll try this medium one. Wow, that seemed to work. I don't want to get too crazy with it. Just crazy enough. This one had a couple scratches here too. Kind of going with the grain. Seem to do it. Alright, now the polish will blend it out and finish it off. Or I've got this microfiber stuff. It already looks a lot better. It took those spots off. That one kind of stands out as a darker. I can kind of take the whole deal and blend it in all the way. That way it'll all kind of look even. Nice. Nice new fridge. This one will just go a little bit lighter on the face. Looks like it took the scratches right out. Not sure how well that'll show on film. Nice and light to blend it all in. Yeah. And the shine. Much better. All right. This one will definitely take a bit more work to get it out. A lot of times what I do on something like this is just blend it in across the entire surface so that it all looks even. Like you saw me do on the sometimes it's not perfect, but it's just improving what's there. This won't work for all fridges. If you see the stove in the background here, it will not work on this type of stove, as that's not really truly a stainless steel. It's actually a finish. It's a clean steel. But it will not work for that. It'll scratch and damage the finish. So you don't want to use it on certain fridges that have coating, painted enamel type finishes. Once again, if you're not sure, a good place to test it is inside the door below the fridge gasket, somewhere where it's not going to be visible, and then for a fridge where you weren't sure. So no one's going to see the damage if it does make it worse. And it can give you a better idea of what to expect. The kit does come with a lube. I ran out of the lube to use, so I wound up using the polish as a lube in lieu of the lube that it came with. Definitely likely to have better results following all the manufacturer's instructions. Also, one other thing is you want to use a dedicated rag. Don't use the rag for anything else after you clean up with this stuff, because it can damage other material. So it's a good idea to use a a dedicated rag for polishing it off and cleaning off the items. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.